So I had a question the other day on the Vulcan Omnipro 220 about what was the highest preset that you can get out of it for welding on mild steel with MIG. So let's go ahead and go to the MIG with a C25 gas. And so let's say you got 35 wire and you want to say that you're going to weld 10 gauge steel. Or actually 10 gauge is the highest preset it'll let you select. But I noticed if you scroll fast, you can see 3/16 and a quarter. So I'm not sure how that happens, but normal presets allow you to set 10 gauge, 12 gauge, 16, 18, and you can use either 35, 30, 25 wire. Now if you happen to need more inches per minute, if you tell it 10 gauge and 25 wire, you can put in a 35 wire and get up to 535 inches a minute, but you're still limited to the 20 volt max. So you'll get all kinds of popping and spattering going on like this setup. But if you need a little bit more wire speed out of it and you're running 30 or 35 wire, pick a lower wire speed setting, and that will allow the drive roller to spin faster without having to go to 220 volt. So there's an option. And I'm just curious if the settings are any different for like C100 or something. I'll go to 35, pick 10 gauge. Okay, 10 gauge is all it'll give you. And max wire speed is the same for the 35 wire. Volts are the same. And if you want to pick out flux core, your polarity is going to be different, I think. So you get negative and positive. And they have negative power, positive ground. Yeah, so your flux core is different polarity. Still maxes out at 10 gauge. And a little bit more inches per minute. Still 20 volts though. So on 110 volt for MIG on steel, those are your settings. And let's go ahead and hit the spool gun real quick and say, alright, well 35 wire, it'll allow you to pick up to 10 gauge. And it'll give you all the way up to 350 inches a minute on that setting, and 20 volts. Probably the same on 53, 56. No inches per minute on stick or TIG. So there's that. Hope that helped out somebody. This is again on 110 volt with the Omnipro 220. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you back around. Thanks.